Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix local security authority protection is off in Windows 11. Super easy fix, and so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to your desktop and you should see your Windows icon here. So you need to right click on it, and then you need to press on terminal and admin. And then you should get similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And then what you need to do here, you need to paste one command. I will leave in the description of this video below here on in the comment section. You should find it. And you just need to paste this command here and press enter, right? And after the operation completed successfully, what you need to do here next is to basically go and restart your computer. And after that, your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.